Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing for a small little Tractor Supply tool haul that I got for towing, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Oh my god, my leg is killing me. Can't feel my leg for some reason. So this is going to be the unboxing for one of these mounting brackets, which is part number 48595. I picked this 48595. I picked it up at Tractor Supply. I've never seen these before. I didn't even know you could buy these, but they're little harness brackets. My forwarder came with a bracket similar to this, but it was made out of rubber, and this is a hard plastic. But the one on my forwarder has been broke for a long time, and it just secures 4-wire flat under bumper. Mounting screws included. They're self-tapping screws. This one's missing one. I'm not worried about it. I'm just gonna use the existing bolts under my truck. It says instructions included. Oh, yep, the pamphlet is also instructions. But, yeah, I might need to widen these holes for the main bolts to fit through, but, yeah, they're the same on both sides, you know. I probably want to put it this way, because this side on the top is thicker than the bottom. But, you know, it was a nice find. They were like $6.95 a piece. I picked both of them up just in case. If I can never ever find these again for some reason, I have an extra spare. Just quick unboxing. This one actually has both screws, or both self-tapping screws. Yeah, these actually fit, but I'm gonna use the bolts, even if I have to bore this hole out slightly, just a little bit. I will. But yeah, that's little haul that I picked up from Tractor Supply. Please stick around, check out the video. Stick around, check out the next video. And I appreciate you guys' time. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm really tired. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.